Okay, thanks for joining, guys. We're going to be going over Credit Repair Cloud. So we have a client today. We had a call with him. He wants to sign up. So very easy. The way that we have our clients' Credit Repair Cloud system set up is all of the clients that schedule appointments with you will be automatically added into Credit Repair Cloud like this. So you don't have to manually add any of your clients, right? It goes directly from your calendar into Credit Repair Cloud. So now we've spoken with a client, they want to sign up. What do we do? So this happens to be the client that we're referencing to today. It's very easy. All that you do is click view, edit profile, and then you're going to go down to the bottom, turn their portal access on, change their status, and all these things. So if someone is doing it this way, their social security and their address do not populate because it's not entered. All of their information goes into the notes as far as their intake form from your calendar. Now, the status needs to be set. So since this client is signing up from between the dates, today is what date? Today is the 5th. So it is the 1st through the 10th. So this is going to be Group A. So Group A is everyone that signs up the 1st through the 10th. So he would be considered Group A. We would turn his portal access on. If he was referred by somebody, we would select who he was referred by. In this case, we know that he was referred by one of our not our credit repair clients, but one of our business clients. But they are not in here as an affiliate. Then we would select their agreement. We have multiple agreements in here. Our standard agreement is the $299 to sign up and then $99 monthly. So we're going to go ahead and select that. This is the client's email. Make sure the language is set to the proper language. And then we're going to go ahead and select. In this case, it's going to be the $299 up front and then $99 a month. And this is for all new clients, as you can see here. If you have your billing set up through CRC, you want to select send automated email to client requesting credit card information, because what this is going to do is it's going to send the client the credit card information. We'll hit submit. The client is not comfortable sharing that information, so that's fine. We don't necessarily need the last 4 digits of the social. We would just need to make sure that we have the birthday and the address and proof of address. So now what happened was we just sent the client some information. You can CC yourself on all of the emails. So click here and you can access your account. And then here it is, dear client. Click here and you can provide your credit card details. And now your client is almost fully onboarded. They will then make their payment. They can sign in to their client access portal. They can upload their documents and go from there.